How to add songs to Instagram story from Spotify. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add songs to Instagram story from Spotify. First, go to the Spotify app in your mobile device. Here, open the album and select the song which you want to add. Now tap on the three dots right next to the song name. Then, tap on Share. Here, select the option of Instagram Story. Your Spotify song has been added as an Instagram story. Now tap on this arrow icon, then select Share to complete uploading your story. Once you're done, play your story to see how it looks. So, that was all about adding a song to Instagram story from Spotify. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.